As the sun shines on all of my glory, my flaws don't look so bad at all. What was I so afraid of?
Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to Locs Lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So today I am back with another retwist and style with me, and I'm going to be doing another men's style. So we have my lovely model here today, aka my boyfriend. His locks are a little over 3 years old and they are getting so long, you guys. So here are the products that I'm going to be using today. So I'm using the Talia Waheed African Healing Oil, one of my faves. And then I'm also going to be using the Talia Waheed Tight Hold Retwisting product. Bear with me, my camera went a little out of focus in this clip, but we did wash his hair prior to starting this retwist, so his hair is nice and clean. I'm going in first with the oil and I'm just running that through his scalp, along his parts and down his locks, and then I'm going to go in with the tight hold and just apply that to the root of his locks. And we did oil his hair and moisturize it after we washed it. However, I just feel like adding the oil in the product just helps me clean up the parts a little better. So that's what I'm doing here, just using that product to clean up the parts. And then I'm going to start retwisting. So today I am doing 2-strand twists. I actually have a few 2-strand twist videos here on my channel on my own head, but this was actually the first time I did 2-strand twist on his head. He usually likes to go for like plaits or braids, but he's been seeing my 2-strand twist and he wanted to copy me basically. So we're doing the 2-strand twist. So I've explained this in several videos, but I retwist in sections. So I do 2 locks at a time. I retwist to the right, and then when it's time to twist the locks together, I retwist them together to the left, if that makes sense. I'm gonna walk you through a few in this video, but basically I retwist 2 locks at a time, and I retwist like normal, retwist clockwise or to the right, and I clip it, and then I grab those 2 locks and twist them together. But when I twist them together, I twist to the left, and then once I get to the end, I just flip them up and secure them with a rubber band. And now I'm just going to continue to repeat that same process. So it's fairly simple. Like I said, I've done this style a few times here on my channel. 2-strand twist, rope twist, whatever you want to call them. It's literally one of my favorite styles. They last a long time. You can style the 2-strand twists, or you could just leave them hanging down. Like, they're so versatile. And then when you take them out, you also get like a nice twist out, and they look great on men and women. Like I said, this is one of my faves, and this style ended up coming out really good on him as well. So yes, when it comes to some 2-strand twists, I'm gonna do them. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue that same process through his hair. So yeah, I'm gonna turn on some music and y'all can finish watching. And then when I get to the front part of his head, I kind of brush his hairline out a little bit just because he likes to get that lined up. I call it his baby hairs, but it's his hairline. So yeah, around his hairline, I don't try to grip all of the hair so that he can get a nice line up when he gets his hair cut. And here is how his hair looks after everything has been retwisted and twisted together. It looks really good already, and it's not even dry, and I haven't set it yet, but here's how it looks. Next, I'm going to go in with my Nairobi styling foam and just foam him down, and I like to lather his scalp and his locks really well. And then I'm gonna go in with some wrapping paper and just tie everything down. And then I set him under the dryer for about 45 minutes until it was pretty much dry. Drying time will vary depending on how wet the hair was before retwisting or how long the hair is. But he set under the dryer for about 45 minutes. And this is how his hair looks after coming from under the dryer and removing the paper. It looks really good. His parts look really clean and sleek, and everything just looks really good. I'm no professional, but you guys know I do my hair. But when I do his hair and it comes out good, like, I really feel proud of myself. Because it's one thing to know how to do your hair, but when you do other people's hair and it looks just as good, yeah, I be pleased with my work. But yes, I forgot to get a clip of him after his haircut. But yeah, this is the final look. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snatched by Sharmel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.